Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Tiara Rahma Asih from Office Administration Program Study, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. On this opportunity, I would like to present about my internship program report on corporate communication of PT XL Axiata Tbk. PT XL Axiata located on Rasuna Said Street, Kevling X5 number 11 and 12, Setiabudi, Kuningan, South Jakarta. I was assigned to the Corporate Communication Department during my internship program for 2 months, from 4 January until 5 March 2021, with working time from Monday to Friday, from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. PT XL Axiata, which previously known as PT Graha Metropolitan Lestari, was established on 6 October 1989. They are the first private company that provide the telecommunication network service in Indonesia. On 8 October 1996, they just got a license to operate the mobile network service with commercially. They officially changed their name to PT XL Axiata on 23 December 2009. XL Axiata continues to growing until in the end of 2020, they are became the top 3 most favorite network operator in Indonesia. General activities of PT XL Axiata is providing cellular operator network and telecommunication service throughout the countries, because they want to facilitate the Indonesian people to be connected with each others. To support their main activities, they do marketing and selling telecommunication products such as cellular and internet service. The organizational structure of PT XL Axiata. PT XL Axiata is led by Ibu Dian Siswarini as a President Director that lead a 7 directorate or division. They are CEO Office, Strategy and Business Development, Chief Human Capital Officer, Director Finance, Director Commercial, Director and Chief Information Officer, and Chief Technology Officer. CEO Office have 5 departments on it. They are Audit and Risk Management, Corporate Communication, Corporate Secretary, Legal, Regulatory, and Government Relation. Corporate Communication is department that I was placed during my internship program in PT XL Axiata. There are several fields of work on Corporate Communication Department. The first is build and maintain the relationship with external, such as handle any complaint and find for the solution. The second is conduct a regular media updates and media monitoring in order to gain issue, insight, and complaint that regards to the company. The third is promote and exchange and build the positive company image by doing corporate social responsibility and other sustainable program. The fourth is use and optimize the budget spending according to the department program implementation. The work implementation of corporate communication contains a related work field with office administration study program. They are including secretarial practice for the activity of searching information from the internet, and office automation for the activity of using the Microsoft Excel. There are 3 main routine tests during my internship program. The first is clipping the telecommunication news from e-paper. The first thing to do is read the e-paper to find a telecommunication news on it. Go to the website of pdfresizer.com and crop the page that contain telecommunication news, and then convert the PDF file that has been cropped to JPEG kind of file. Download and rename it with format media name, publish date, and news title. Then collecting the assignment by an email. The second is collecting the telecommunication news from media online. I started by visiting the news portal on media online, then use the searching feature and put some keywords of telecommunication, then open the suitable news that have been displayed and copy the link. Add the link, media names, and date on Microsoft Excel according to the news category. And the last, sort the content by the most recent publication date. The third test is calculating the new distribution of press release to the media target. After the press release comes out, we can immediately find the media who has already made a report or news in xl.binocular.net. Every each of news counted as one. Then input the total number into the table on Microsoft Excel, according to the name of regional and national media target that have been registered by the company. All the news topic of press release will be calculated and updated every day, and it will be percentage on the end of every month to find out how active the media in distributing the press release. There are several obstacles during my work implementation. The first is unstable internet connection. It is really affect to my task because mostly of them requires an internet connection. These obstacles often happen because I do my internship program from home, and the network are not always in a good condition. The second is flexible working time. It is a risk from working from home program that can make me as an employee being lazy over the task because they haven't a directly supervision. The third is miscommunication on task distribution. I have missed my additional test in several times during my internship program because on that day there is no confirmation of the separate assignment that they sent to me by an email. The fourth is search feature on news portal was broken. Because my task has a lot to do with finding a news, when the search feature on the news portal was error, it made me must take a longer time to finish my work. And the last obstacles is missed data due to the news list that continues to grow anytime. The news data in xl.binocular.net always increasing all the time, but they doesn't have a feature to sorting the news data according to the submitted time in Binocular. So it can make a lot of news data being missed and not counted. The way to resolve the obstacles. To resolve the unstable internet connection, I move my working place to another location or space that can couch a better connection. But if the problem comes from the disconnected Wi-Fi device or electricity, I will directly contact the customer service. The second is to resolve and anticipate the problem that come from flexible working time. I decide to dividing the work time according to the difficult level of the task and length of processing time. And the third, to resolve miscommunication on task distribution, I always do a recheck and reconfirm to my mentor about the tasks that have given to me and also make a report when I already finish it. The fourth is to resolve the broken search feature on online media. I can solve this problem with open the related link that already exists on the telecommunication news in media online table. Then, after the news portal link has opened, click the button on telecommunication as a news classification. So by that way, the latest telecommunication DEM news will be displayed. And the last, to resolve missed data in order to calculating the news distribution of press release, I usually re-ensure that the total of number of the news in the table must match to the total of number in the binocular. Then recheck one by one the target media on the binocular according to the news with the earliest published date. For the conclusion, my internship program on Corporate Communication Department of PTXL Axiata give me some new experience to do several tests. Then, same as what I already explained before, maybe I got some obstacles or problem during my internship program, but for me it is okay because internship program it's like something new to do and something new to learn. And as time goes, I also can resolve my obstacles by myself. Other than that, there are so many benefits that I've got from this internship program, such as I learned to manage my time and also be responsible for the tasks that have been given to me. And also, the work experience on PTXL Axiata already realized the purpose of my internship program to be able to find out how the real world of work is. There are some suggestions that me as a practitioner want to share to the company, university, and also the student. For the PTXL Axiata, I would like to suggest about the system for news update. Please add a news sorting feature, especially based on the time when the news enter into the website on xl.binocular.net. For Faculty Economy, State University of Jakarta, I would like to suggest about the kind of practice or training activities which relate to the field of office administration should be more given for the student. That kind of activity will give the student a better preparation before they do an internship program. And the last is for the student. I would like to suggest them to prepare themselves with some knowledge and self-abilities. Also, practice to be responsible for their work, tasks, and anything. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to answer the question about internship program report on corporate communication of PT XL Axiata. For the first question about the purpose of the binocular system or the website of xl.binocular.net is Binocular is a website that make a corporation with the company to help the company collecting the press release news data that has published by XL Axiata and has been reported by the regional or national media. For the procedure to using Binocular, we must to sign in with username and password by the company first. After we get in to their homepage, we can immediately using the search feature on it. Then put the title and also the published date of the press release. Then click the search button. After that, the media and also the news that they're made will be displayed. There are so many features on the website of Binocular. We can see all the news which have even recently published by the media, not only about the company but also about the competitor. For the second question about my obstacles regarding to the unstable network, flexible working time, and miscommunication, I don't want the company judge me and that I have a low loyalty. Because of that, I have got some solution to resolve and anticipated it. I can directly move my working place to get a better connection or contact the customer service of the Wi-Fi company and electricity to ask and confirm about the network that has been broken. After that, I will do my work and collecting it as fast but still right as possible I can. I will do my best for my work. And to anticipation of flexible working time, I also dividing the work time according to the difficulty level of the task and the length of the processing time. Such as for the clipping the telecommunication news, I did this kind of task in the morning from 8 until 10 a.m. because this task take a short time and more easier than others. For the second task, there is collecting the news telecommunication from media online. I usually did it from 10 a.m. until 1 p.m. And after that, from 2 p.m. until 5 p.m., I will do my last task for calculating the news distribution of press release. I will answer about the Binocular can help company reputation management to measure the performance of public relation is because they can help the company to monitoring the press release that has been published by the company, and mostly of them contain the social responsibility program or activities that can make a good corporate image. And from the Binocular, we can know that the press release news was distributing to all over the country. So there are many stakeholders that can see it, such as the governments, public, and investor. The good news that build positive company image will increase their interest to continue their relationship with the company. For the question number 4 about the inconsistent theory with the practice on the company, one of them is on office administration program study. We have a course of professional ethics that contain the material of work discipline. The definition about discipline of work is ways that the leaders do to influence employees to obey with the company regulation. At the time when I did my internship program, the leaders or the group head once complained about the employer that always must have take a long time to finish his test during these quarantines to reduce the coronavirus disease by working from home program. So I think maybe there is a gap from the theory that I got with the implementation about discipline of work in the office field, because the leader should be able to take an action or make a decision to prevent the same thing that already happened and also be done by other employer. And to answer the question number 5 about the suggestion for the company, I would like to suggest the company to improve their new regulation about working from home for the employer, and do not hesitate to give harsh penalty for the employee that break the rules. Other than that, for the question number 4, on office administration program study, there are a course of office automation that contains the material such as the purpose of office automation. That is, one of that is to be able to complete the assignment faster. Application like binocular that made to make a work of calculating the news distribution easier is one of the office automation. But in the work implementation, the news data in excel.binocular.net always increasing all the time. But they doesn't have a feature to sorting the news data according to the submitted time in binocular. So it can make a lot of news data being missed and not counted. So also for the question number 5, I want to suggest about the system for news updates. Please add a news sorting feature, especially based on the time when the news entered into the website of xl.binocular.net. It will be much helpful for the employer who have the same task like me, and the process of calculating the news distribution of press release to the media target will take a more less time. Maybe the fault is not from the company, but the company can ask for additional feature to the binoculars. That's all for my presentation, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.